In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal account number. Whether you're on the PayPal app or using a web browser, the process is quick, and I'll walk you through both options step by step so you can find exactly what you need with confidence. Let's start on the app, which works the same on iPhone and Android. Open the PayPal app and sign in. On the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner and tap Finances. This is where PayPal groups your account details. On this page, you'll see your PayPal account number. If some digits are hidden for security, tap the small info icon, the letter I, to reveal the full number. Just below that, you'll also see your routing number. These two numbers work together when you need to set up things like direct deposit. If you want to see more, tap More Details for additional information related to direct deposit setup. Remember, PayPal provides these numbers because your account functions similarly to a bank account for receiving deposits. As a quick tip, make sure you're on the official PayPal app from your device's app store and avoid sharing your account or routing numbers publicly. Now, if you're on a desktop or mobile browser, the steps are just as simple. Go to paypal.com and log into your account. From your dashboard, look for the More option shown as three dots and click or tap it. Choose direct deposit or set up direct deposit. This will display your PayPal account number and routing number. If your account number appears partially hidden, select the I icon to reveal the full number. If you need to paste it somewhere securely, use the copy option to copy it directly. When copying sensitive details, double check where you paste them and clear your clipboard afterward if you're on a shared device. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. If your screen looks a little different, layouts can vary slightly with updates, but the Finances tab in the app and the direct deposit section on the website are the places to look. Always ensure you're signed in over a secure connection and keep your login details private. Your account and routing numbers are meant for receiving funds, so treat them like you would any bank information. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find your PayPal account number on both the app and the website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.